base method only. I think we can start the exercise.
So only 12 members.
Okay, no issue. There are 13, including me.
Sir, this is for last method.
Sir, how to solve this now?
Base method. You forget
Okay, sir, I
about the last method.
Okay, sir.
Sir,
I
sir, I
remembered,
got
sir,
it.
now.
M only, sir.
Sir, we
I
have to
took
take
M,
minus
but,
now.
Sir, I took
minus. You
M
have to take
problem,
minus.
but-
Correct.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, I took M problem, but it is telling to find the missing number.
Yes, sir.
I took
It
the
is-
problem M.
Sorry, I did not get what Ritvik.
It is saying
I
to
took
M,
the
but it is
problem
no.
M, sir, but it is written as find the missing number.
Yes, missing number only.
Sir,
You
can
don't
Sir,
want
I
that?
forgot and I have clicked the M, sir. I want to take D.
Okay, write it in chat box. I'll take from chat box.
Sir, can you
we-
explain find the missing number once?
No. You have to think how to solve that question.
Sir.
Ritvik, I think
Sir,
it is very easy. Compared to other questions, it is easy. If you think.
Sir, can you take one more? Can you explain one more number, sir? Not this.
No.
Ritvik,
First of all, you have to explain. Later, I
Ritvik.
will explain.
Ritvik, you have to just do minus 8277 minus 89, sir, I think.
Okay, sir.
Okay, whoever comfortable, you can take. Any other person also can take M. Whoever want to take.
Sir,
No
Mahavi.
problem, sir. I can take it, sir.
Okay, carry on. Then B Srishti, C M Ritvik, okay. C Shoprano, J Aditi. And H Satvika. Dhanyasri, your question is?
D.
D, okay. Yes, Sahasvita. P Jait. Mahavir G. That's all. 2 more questions left. Cyrus, take one question.
Sir,
Yeah, K Lohini. Take one question. Anyone. K is
Sir?
already over. Only L is remaining.
okay, I'll take L.
Sir, in this also, for all the numbers, base is the same, sir.
Yes, for all the numbers, base is 100 only. But for the next exercise, you have to decide the base.
Yes, sir.
Okay. For this exercise is okay. 100 is the base. For all the numbers, 100 is the base. If you are ready, we'll start
But
the
for
solution.
next one, it will be different.
No,
Sir.
sir, we are not ready.
Okay, do.
Sir, all
Next
done.
exercise will be large bases.
Sir,
Till now
all
we have
done.
covered only 10 and 100 bases. Next exercise will be based on
1000.
10,000, 1 lakh, those bases.
Sir, it will be such a big number.
1,000, 10,000, 1 lakh. Oh, one more question remaining.
Yes, sir.
I. Mohit, take
Sir,
one question.
Sir, F and I, sir.
Sir, actually, I'm on mobile. I don't know how to control anything.
Okay.
So actually, F and I are left.
Yes, sir.
F also. Oh, two more questions. Sri Harsha, take one question.
Sir, what are we doing, sir? Because I just joined.
Base method. Yesterday's, last class only, continuation.
Okay, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, actually, I'm on mobile today, so I don't know how to control anything.
Okay. Drona. Drona, speak once.
కొంచెమైనా కొద్దిమైనా ఇప్పుడే చేసేయాలి
ఏంటిది?
ఆలుగడ్డ బజ్జి పకోడీ
Drona. Drona, are you there?
Sir,
Yes, sir.
Drona?
Yes, sir. Can you hear me, sir?
Ah, yes.
Hello, sir.
Yes, yes. What happened again?
Sir, for I, the answer is 1007.
Wait. Actually, I don't need answer. I need procedure.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, we have to take it by 100, sir.
Wait,
Yeah,
let Drona speak. Something he had something problem, I think.
Yes, sir. I use easy one, sir.
Okay. Ayush. What happened to Sriharsha? Yadar,
Yes, sir.
take one question among F and I.
Sir, I, sir.
You take I.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, why, sir?
Sir,
Is that a problem,
it's
sir?
easy, sir.
Sir, do you want me to pick F or I, sir?
Your wish. That is your wish.
Sir, I said I, sir.
Okay. Okay. I'll do this. If nobody do it,
Sir,
do it.
sir, should I say you something?
Tell Srishti.
Sir, my question we did yesterday class only, sir.
Okay, no problem.
Yes.
It will be like revision. Okay, start Sahasrita.
Yeah, our base is 100 minus 13 minus 3. We have to, first we have to 87 minus 3 is equals to 84.
87
We have to put two places.
Okay,
13 into 3, 39.
39. Very good. Excellent. Srishti.
Yes, sir. Sir, base is 100. So we have to 100 minus 79 is 21 and 100 minus 98 is 2. 79 minus 2 is 77 and 21 into 2 is 42. So 7,742.
Yeah, 77 and then 42. Yes, very good. Show Pranav.
Yes, sir. Sir, we should keep as base as 100.
Okay.
Sir, 98 will be 98 means, sir, 2 it will become 98.
Okay, plus 2 or minus 2?
Sir, minus 2.
Okay, next.
Sir, 93 will become minus 7.
Okay.
Sir, 98 minus 7 is equals to 91, sir.
Okay. After that.
Sir, and two zeros are there. That's why we should keep 2 dashes.
Okay.
7 to 14, sir.
Okay, right. Very good. Very good. Dhanyasri.
Sir, our 94 and for 95 our base is 100.
Okay.
And it is for 94 it is minus 6 and for 95 it is minus 5 and
Okay.
I'm going to do with 94 minus 5 is equals to 89.
Okay.
89 and 6 into 5 equals to 30. We have to take two places as in 100 two zeros are there.
Yes, yes. So it will be 30. 8930. That's all. Then Jait.
Yes, sir. 96 and 96. So 96, my base is 100. So minus 4, minus 4.
Minus 4 and minus 4. Okay.
Yes, sir. So 96 minus 4 is nothing but 92.
Okay.
And 4 4s are 16. 9,216 is the answer.
Very good. Correct. Okay, I'll do last. Mahavir.
Yes, sir. Sir, the base is 100.
Okay.
Sir, so it is 89 minus 11.
Okay.
And 98 minus 2.
Okay.
Sir, 89 minus 2, it is 87.
Right.
Sir, we reserve two places as 100 has 2 zeros. Sir,
Okay.
11 multiplied by 2, it is 22.
22. That's all. Satvika.
Yes, sir. So the base is 100.
Okay,
So for 93, it's minus 7.
right?
99 minus 1.
No, it is 96. Which question
Okay.
you are doing? H.
I was doing I, sorry.
Okay.
96
We'll
minus
do H.
4.
We'll do H only. Okay,
Okay.
minus 4. Proceed.
96 minus 4. So
No, no,
9.
no. Oh, okay, okay. You're telling that. Proceed.
So 93. So 93 minus 4 is 89.
89. Okay.
But because the base number is 100, there are two zeros.
Hmm.
And 7 fours are 28. We'll put.
Very good. Correct. Okay. Actually, you have taken H. You forgot that.
So no, sir, I wrote the question wrong as well.
Okay, okay. While doing in your paper, you have written it wrongly. Yatharth.
Yes, sir. Sir, base number is 100, sir.
Okay.
Minus 7 and minus 1, sir. 93 minus 1 is 92, sir. Sir,
Okay.
2 dashes because 100 is the base number, sir. 7 after 7, sir. So 9,207, 07.
07. Correct. 9207, 900 and 207.
Yes, sir.
Right. Then Aditi.
Yes, sir. So we're going to take the base as 100 and both minus 3 and minus 3.
Okay.
97 minus 3 is 94.
Okay.
As there are two zeros in 100, so 3 threes are 9, we'll write 09.
Okay. Very good. Very good. Then Lohini. After a long time, you have taken question.
Yes, sir. So the base is 100. So 96 is minus 4.
Okay.
And 67 is minus 33.
Minus 33. Okay.
Yes.
Hmm.
Now we have to minus 96 and 33.
Which is easy? 96 minus 33 is easy, or 67 minus 4 is easy?
67. Sir, I took 93 minus 33.
Both will result the same only. What is 67 minus 4?
67 minus 4 is 64.
60?
4.
No. 67 minus 4.
67 minus 4 is 63.
63. What about 96 minus 33?
96 minus 33 is
Is again 63 only.
That's 63 itself only, sir.
Yes, it is also 63. Okay, both will result the same, but whichever is easy, it is better to take that.
okay, sir. So we can also take 96 and 33, right?
Yeah, you can take 96 and 96 minus 33, or you can take 67 minus 4 also. Both will give the same 63 result only.
Okay, sir.
Any one is enough. After that,
So we will get the 132s, and we should add it to 3.
okay.
When we into it, we will get 132, and when we add it to 3, the answer will be 6,432.
32. Very good. Take questions regularly. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Cyrus.
Okay, sir.
Sir,
So the
but many
basis.
people will try to get chances, sir. They'll just spam their name in the chat, sir.
Okay, okay. Cyrus,
Okay,
proceed.
sir. So the base is 100. So 95 will be minus 5.
Okay.
And then 75 will be minus 25.
Okay.
So 5 minus 75 is equal to 70. Then we'll put that down. Then we multiply 5 times 25 is equal to 125. So
Okay.
we'll just carry that 1 over to that 0 and then put 25.
Very good. Finally.
So that was result in 7,125.
Very good. Excellent. Then Ritvik,
Sir, now
let's
you do
see how
your,
will you,
yourself
how you will
and
explain
this
this.
will be good.
Okay, all of you see this.
Yes, sir.
Find the
Sir,
missing number.
the missing number, sir.
Can you speak loudly?
Yes, sir. Sir, it is find the missing number, sir. Sir, so we can do. Yes, sir. We can do 8,277 minus 89, sir. The answer will be 8,188, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. So the missing number is 8,188.
How you got that number? I need procedure.
Yes,
This is
Yes,
not
sir, I
addition, this is
subtracted,
multiplication. You have to divide the numbers.
No, Gohit. No, don't need. Don't use all that procedure.
Yes, sir. I subtracted 89 from 8,277, sir.
No. This is
Sir,
not.
can
no,
I
Sir,
have
it's a
Yes,
2-digit number, sir.
Wait. All of you wait. What Gohit said is correct. You have done simply subtraction.
Yes, sir.
No, this is not subtraction. This is multiplication. 89 into how much is 8,277. So think it in a base method. In our base method, what can be the base?
Sir, don't tell
But
sir.
sir, if we do only, then we'll get right.
Sir, first it will be 89 minus 11, sir. The base is
Yes, it
100.
is minus 11. Okay.
Sir,
Sir,
Sir, the answer is 93.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
93, sir.
some number minus 11, it is like x minus 11 is equals to 82, sir. So
Very good.
82 plus 11, it is 93.
3, sir.
93. Got it?
93 minus 7.
J is
Sir,
taken this
90.
one as X. So we'll do crosswise operation, correct?
Yes, sir.
X minus how much? X minus 11 should be 82.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
When it comes this side, it will be
Yeah.
plus sign. So 82 plus 11 equals to 93.
93.
We can tell the same answer in another way also. See. So here we got 11. 11 into how much is 77?
Sir, 11 into 7. This can also be the like
7.
7
Correct?
into 7.
So means the second number should be 7 less than 100.
Yes,
This
sir.
one.
93, sir.
So 93 is the answer.
Okay, sir. Sorry.
both methods are correct, right, sir?
Yes. In the first method, while finding 82, we have just subtracted to get the answer. In this, we have done multiplication. 11 into how much is 77? So 7. So means the second number should be 7 less than 100. 7 less than 100 is 93. Okay.
Yes, sir. Sir, so in the second operation, we need to do 2 operations.
Yes. So in first directly, in first also you are doing this procedure by taking X. Don't take X. Think mentally. So
Sir, now you have to do yourself, sir. Your question.
Sir, actually, to be clear, we need I just told X. Otherwise, I do it in my mind.
yeah, from which number we have to subtract 11 to get 82, or we can take. Okay, this is same. 82 plus 11. In one direction it is minus 11. In another direction it will be plus 10. Okay. Right, myself question. Okay, you can do this. 100. Okay, tell me, anyone.
Sir,
How much it
100
is?
is
So
the
it
base
is
number.
minus 20. Minus
12 minus
12 minus 4. Minus 12 minus 4. 88 minus 4 is 84. equals to 84. 12 into 4 is 48.
4 is equals to 48.
48. 84, 48. That's it. And be ready for the next exercise. Till now we have done only below 100 base, next above 100 base. Okay, for this exercise also 100 is the number, base number is 100. For the next exercise we have to decide the basis. For this also 100 only, base is 100. Okay, there are M questions. M questions means 13 questions are there. What is that, Srushti?
Sir, by mistakenly, my sister copied that.
Sir, for this also it is 100 only, no, sir.
100 only. Base is 100 for all the questions. Base is 100 in this exercise.
Sir, can I take D, sir?
Write it in the chat.
Sir,
Sir, I already took.
Sir, no one took.
If nobody
Sir, I
took,
already
you
took.
can write
Sir,
it in
I
the chat.
already took.
Sir, Srushti took D, sir. Sir, B, sir, Srushti took.
Wait,
Sir,
wait,
I
I
wait,
took
B.
B.
wait.
Sir, I took D, sir. Mistake like kept C.
Who?
Sir.
Shubhranu.
Sir, start from Shiva Pranav C, sir.
Even you
Sir,
can write it in the
Mahavir
chat
M,
box,
sir.
Shubhranu. Now also you can write
Mahavir
because,
M. Sir, I wrote, sir. Sir, I wrote. Sir,
okay,
I wrote.
because other persons will not take that.
Sir, Mahavir M, sir. I'm the only person who chose them, right? Mahavir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Sir, because
After
his name
Shiva
starts with
Pranav wrote C, sir. I wrote D, sir.
Okay, wait. I'm starting from where I
Sir,
need to
C
start.
for me on
C,
C,
Ritvik,
sir.
yeah.
Shiva Pranav.
Sir, from
Shiva Pranav.
Lohini, I think.
No. Lohini is previous.
from Shiva Pranav.
Sir, I want to take C, sir.
Sir, Lohini, then Shiva Pranav, then Ritvikan.
Shubhranu, you want to take C,
Yes, sir.
and then again and again you are changing. Why? J Dhanyas.
Sorry.
Okay.
Sir, we have to take sub base, right, sir?
No sub base. All are 100 base only. All the questions are 100 only base.
Sir, I will
Sahaswita, take another question. J Jayit.
But sir, you said that next exercise will have some difference.
Yeah, I forgot that we are in below 100 base only. Next, it will be 100 above base. And after this exercise, it will be above 100 bases, 1000 or 10,000, 1 lakh. In that case, you have to decide the base. It will be different. Next exercise.
Does not me, sir. That's J Yadharth.
Okay, sorry.
Sir,
J and Y I saw at a time, and J I thought it is J. Okay, F is Yadhartha. Then read anyone. K Aditi.
Sir, can I read?
Read. B Srishti.
Sir, B Srushti, H Satvika,
Later.
J
Sir, G, Jayit.
Okay.
Sir,
Sir,
M, Mahavir.
Okay. Where is it?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
and
Stop. Next.
I
Sir, Sahaswita.
Sahaswita, sir.
Yeah. Is it I or L? Sahaswita.
Sir, Sahaswita.
It's actually L.
Actually L. Okay.
Sir, she wrote, but like I.
Okay. Again, some
In
questions
laptop,
are.
it's showing like that.
Lohini, take one question.
sir, can you explain the one which has like extra numbers?
No, sir, it's same, sir. It is very easy. Don't explain,
Wait.
sir.
Shubhranu, wait. In the previous case, you have taken minus, correct?
Yes, sir.
Now it is plus. It will be plus.
Sir,
It will
from
be plus
here it is all plus only, sir.
Yes, all the numbers are.
Sir, it says base 100 above, sir. So all are plus only.
See the heading.
Okay, sir.
Yes,
So
100
it is
above.
like 108, then we have to do added by 8, sir.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
If it is less, we have to do minus. If it is more, we have to do plus.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, Srishti, tell.
Sir,
Sir, I
from-
already got
I'm-
him.
Sir, when I'm doing 108 minus 7, I'm getting answer as 101. And when I'm doing 107 minus 8, my answer is coming 99.
No, how it? Why you are doing minus? You have to do plus, na?
Sir, my number is 100. My
Yeah, your
number is
100,
107.
but the numbers are more than 100 or less than 100.
Sir, more.
More means you have to do plus.
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay. For this number, you have to do either this number plus, or for this number, you have
Sir,
to
in
do.
the chat, Gohit typed E Gohit.
Okay, E go hit, and only one question remaining. Cyrus, take A.
Sir,
Cyrus will take A.
Okay, sir.
sir, then at end, for the last one, sir, like how we do for 2 digits, we do we do multiplication, right, sir? We have to do multiplication only, right, sir?
Your voice is very low.
Sir, for the last, sir, to get extra 2 digits because they're 2 digits.
Yes.
We have to
Here
do
also we have to do the
multiplication
same.
only,
Extra numbers multiplication only.
sir. Okay, sir.
Same procedure. No change. Okay, make all the questions ready, all the answers ready.
Sir, but no change, sir. But only we have to do plus.
Yes, sir. If there is plus, we have to do plus. If there is minus, we have to do minus. Okay, we'll proceed.
Sir,
We'll
can I
start with.
check? Sir, I understood.
Okay. Cyrus, if you are ready, we'll start with you only.
Sir, can you give me some time? I'm just doing it.
Meanwhile, we'll do next questions.
Sir,
Christy?
can I? Yes, sir.
Proceed.
Sir, plus 100 plus 7 is 107. So we'll write plus 7. 108 minus 100 is 8. So we have to do 107 plus 8, which is equals to 115.
Okay,
And
now it is
7.
115, it is okay. And what about 108 and plus 7? It is also 115, correct?
Yes, sir.
So in the previous case, you have done minus.
Yes, sir.
Sir, both methods are same only, sir.
Same only.
Sir, then 7 into 8 is 56.
Okay, after that 2 digits we need to reserve, and those 2 digits will be 56. That's all.
Okay, sir. Can I go now?
When I was doing minus, the answer were coming like
Okay.
Wait, so now.
So 100 is the base, so it will be
I'm in the mute only.
plus 7. And then 104 will be plus 4. And then if we add 7 plus 4, it will be 11. And if we add, and if we multiply 7 times 4,
What should I write here?
11, 111.
Yeah, you said it is 11 only. That's it. Okay, next.
Then if we multiply 7 times 4, it will become 28. So that's the answer if we put it over there.
Correct.
11.
11,128. Now it is okay, Pranav.
Yes, sir. Sir, the base number is 100, sir.
Okay.
Sir, 133 will become 33.
Okay, plus or minus?
Sir, plus.
Yeah, you can use terminology like this. 133 is 100 more than, sorry. 133 is 33 more than 100. That's why more means we have to use plus. 103 is 3 more than 100. That's why plus 3.
3 more 100. Sir, first we should do that 133 plus 3 is equals to 136.
Okay.
Sir, 2 zeros for 100. That's why 2 dashes.
Okay.
Sir, and we should do 33 into 3 is equals to 99.
That's all. Very good. Correct.
Thank you, sir.
Then Ritvik.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sorry.
Proceed.
Yes, sir. Sir, we will take as base as 100, sir.
Okay.
Sir, then it will be plus 2 and plus 4. If we do 4 plus 2, it will be 106, sir. And then 2 4s are 8, sir. So we'll keep 08.
That's all.
Sir, 08, sir.
Okay. Okay, that's why I am reminding this point. We have to reserve 2 positions. Then we don't forget that one. Okay,
Sir, I
08.
said 08 only, but I don't know what.
Okay, right. How you got 08 then? Without knowing?
Sir, because we need two numbers. Sir,
yes,
100
that's
and,
right.
2 zeros.
Sir, how many zeros you add before 8 or any number, it will be same value, sir.
It depends on the base.
Okay, sir.
Base consists of how many zeros? Those many digits we need to reserve.
Okay.
Go ahead. Proceed.
Yes, sir. Sir, the base is 100, sir. So 123 is more 23 more than 100, so it will become plus 23. 102 will become plus 2. Sir,
Okay.
then it should be what? Sir, then 123 plus 2, that is equals to 125.
Okay.
Sir, then 23 into 2, that is equals to 46. You have to reserve 2 places because 100 has 2 zeros. Answer is 12546. 12,546. 12,546.
Yes. Okay, very good. Yatharth, proceed.
Yes, sir. Sir, base is 100, sir. So, sir, plus 71 and plus 1, sir.
Okay.
So then 171 plus 1 is 172, sir. So you have to leave, remain 2 dashes, sir, because the base number is 100. Then 71 ones are 71 only, sir. So 17271.
That's all. Even though this is bigger number, but here it is only 1. That's why it is easy.
Yes, sir. This is easy, sir.
Okay, next, Jayit.
Yes, sir. Sir, 103 is equal to plus 3 and 111 is equal to plus 11. So,
Okay.
103 plus 11 is nothing but 114.
Okay.
Sir, two space will come. 11 3 is 33. So 1000
11,000.
yes, sir. 11,433 is the answer.
33. Very good. Satvika.
So 125 is 25 more than 100,
Okay.
and 105 is 5 more than 100.
Okay.
125 plus 5 is 130,
Okay.
and 25 into 5 is 125. But since there are only 2 dashes, we'll add 1 to 0.
Okay. Then it will be, final answer is
13,125.
13,125. That's all. Lohini.
103 is more than 100. So like press 3 and same over there.
Okay.
And then we have 103 should be added to 3 again,
Okay.
which is 106.
106. Okay.
And 3 into 3 is 9. So answer is 1069.
No. After writing 106, how many digits we need to reserve? Lohini, please respond.
After adding 2
What is the base number for this question?
100.
100 is the base. 100 consists of how many zeros?
2 zeros.
2 zeros means here we need 2 digits. So but
So
after multiplying these two,
it's 9. So the answer is 10609.
yes, very good. So 9 we have to make it double digit. That's why we have to keep a 0 before 9. So it will be 09. Okay.
Yes,
Very
sir.
good. Dhanyasri.
Base is 100 and it is plus 11 plus 11. 111 plus 11 is equals to 122, and 11 into 11 is 121. So in dashes we have to write 21, and down 2 we have to write 1, and it is 1 2 3 2 1.
1 2 3 2 1. Very good. Aditi.
Yes, sir.
Proceed.
Sir, base is 100, so plus 62 and plus 2.
Okay.
So 162 plus 2 is 164.
Okay.
62 into 2 is 124. So 1 down and 2 and 4 up.
1 2 4. Okay.
And then the correct answer will be 16524.
524.
We kept 1 down because there are only 2 zeros in 100.
Yes, correct. So then it will be carried over.
Yes.
So, who is this?
Sahasrita.
Sorry.
Yeah, our base is 100 plus 13 plus 5. 113 plus 5 is equals to 118.
Okay.
We have to put 2 places. 13 into 5, 65.
Very good. Okay, even though that much disturbance is there, she is managing that. Okay, right. Then Mahavir, ready?
Yes, sir.
It's very easy. Directly by saying we can say the answer, I think.
Yes, sir.
Not the answer.
Sir, the base is 100. So 103 is plus 3.
Okay.
Sir, so here the number should be 105, as 105 plus 3 is 108.
That's all. Over.
That's all.
Yes. So for
Sir,
which
for
number if you
getting-
add, for which number if you add 3, it will be 108. So it will be 105. That's all.
Sir, 105.
Yeah. In another way, how can we do?
Sir,
By seeing the 15
Yes.
plus 3 and plus 5 we can do. So by that we can write there 105.
Yes. 3 into how much is 15? It will be
Sir,
plus
5.
5. So means our number should be 5 more than
05.
base number 100. So 5 more than 100 is 105. Okay, we are moving on to large bases. Be ready. I think that's the last exercise for this session. Here you need to decide the basis also. Okay, see the questions and then take. See the question and then take. It is better.
So, sir, we have to take higher base numbers also, right, sir? Like 10,000 base numbers.
Yeah,
Like
the
that, sir?
both the numbers are near to which base you have to select that.
1,000. Okay, sir.
For some numbers it is 1,000. For some numbers 1 lakh also is there. Some
Sir,
numbers
10,000 is also there, sir.
10,000 is also there. 443. 443.
Sir, can I read the names?
From where? From where?
Like sir from
Okay, Ritvik N. D.
Yes, sir.
Sir, yes,
Sir,
sir.
Ritvik D, sir.
D.
Then Shiva Pranav C, sir.
I was keeping.
Sir, I Yadharth.
Sir, then Dhanyasri B, sir.
Okay.
Sir, Dhanyasri B, sir.
B Dhanyasri. Okay.
Sir,
Sir,
Shiva Pranav C, sir. You missed that. Okay, sir.
C only.
Sir G Satvika.
Sir G Satvika.
Sir F, sorry, L Aditi.
Sir L Aditi.
Sir, F Jain.
One second. Let me write.
Sir, F Jain, sir.
L Aditi.
Sir, F Jain.
F,
Sir,
J.
Cyrus.
Okay.
Sir E
Sir,
Cyrus.
E Cyrus.
Which one? E.
E
Okay.
Cyrus.
Cyrus.
Sir, A Gohit.
Sir A Gohit.
Okay.
Sir, K Krishna. Sir, that's it, sir.
A
Krishna.
Sri Harsha.
Sir.
Oh, sorry, sir. Sri Harsha. Sir, then J Sahaswita, sir. J
Very good,
Sahaswita.
Sahaswita.
Sir J Sahaswita.
Only H is there, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Any more remaining?
Sir, H Mahavir. Sir, H Mahavir.
Okay. Okay.
Sir, this time Mahavir didn't take M, sir. He took H.
Okay, then do all the questions.
Sir, how sir?
How means you have to select the base and same procedure
Yes, sir.
plus some. Here all the numbers are below bases only. Large bases but below bases only.
Okay,
All the
sir.
numbers.
But they are different base.
No, way is same. Approach is same.
Sir, the base is different also.
Base is different. Approach is same.
Sir, how can we do this mentally, sir? This we need to compulsory do on the book.
Okay. After doing this exercise, I'll tell. How can we do it mentally without using pen?
Yes, sir.
Sir, I am ready, sir.
Okay.
So 1 minute, sir.
Not ready.
We are not actually ready.
Sir, we need little more time, sir, for these questions.
That is why I'm waiting. I'm waiting.
Sir, I can't ready.
Take your own time.
Sir, done, sir. Sir, I'm not telling to start, sir. I'm just telling.
Not able to?
Sir, I'm telling. I'm not telling to start, sir. I'm just telling that I am done because again others will tell that I am not done.
It's okay.
Sir, done, sir, mine.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, I think we can. It is better to start because.
Sir, yes, sir. Ready,
Oh,
sir.
sir, please, sir. I didn't start only.
Shopra, now you have 2 questions time. We'll do
Okay.
meanwhile A and B.
Okay, sir.
Go ahead, start. What is your
Yes,
base?
sir. So the base is 1000.
Okay, very good.
Sir, so 998 is 2 digits away from 1000, so it is equals to -2, and 667 is equals to -333.
333. See here, one point. Let me say one point here. To subtract, to know the difference here, we can use one more sutra. What is that sutra? Can anybody tell?
Sir, one minus 2.
Nikhilam sutra we can use. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes,
Suppose, wait, 1 second. Let me explain another question. Like 99,998 into 97,000 972. Suppose if this is the question. Okay. What is the base for this question?
Sir, 1,0,0,0,0,0, sir.
What is the base?
1 lakh.
Sir, 1 lakh, sir.
1 lakh. 1 lakh consists of how many zeros?
Sir, 6, sir. 5. Sir, 5.
5 zeros. Okay. So here, what is the difference? First number. Simply we can say it is minus.
minus 2.
Okay. For to find the second difference, here we can use this that Nicolam Sutra. See. 97972. All from 9 and last from 10. Last from 10.
Yes,
Remember
yes,
this point?
Yes, sir.
All from 9.
9 and last from 10.
Sir, 10 minus 2 and 9 minus 7 and rest all 9.
Yeah, this 9 we have to subtract from 9, it is 0 only.
0.
This 9 we have to subtract, this 7 we have to subtract from
Sir, 2,
9,
sir.
2. This
Sir,
is
0. Sir, 0.
Zero.
this
Sir, 2.
and this is
Sir,
Sir, 8.
8. Last from 10, no? That's why 8.
10 is sir, 8.
So the answer is 2028.
So here the difference is minus 2028.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So which subtraction is easy? This one
Sir, yeah,
or
yes.
second one?
The all
Sir,
from 10
first
and
one,
last
sir.
First
from
one.
10.
Yes. 97972 minus 2 is 9797.
0,
Zero.
sir.
After that, we need to take how many positions?
Sir, 5, sir. Because
5. Because our base consists of 5 positions, we need to reserve 5 positions. And those
Sir,
5
we
positions
can-
should be filled by these two, product of these two.
Sir, we can do both, but our answer will be right, no, sir.
Sorry?
Sir, we are doing 97972 minus 2. We can
Sir,
do
the
that.
answer is 4056, sir.
97972 minus 2 is
Sir,
97970.
4056, sir. That
Yes, 2028 will be
Right?
4056. Sir. So it will be 04056.
056.
That's the answer. Okay.
Sir, that's super big, sir.
Here, my intention in explaining this question is you can use this Nicolam Sutra.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Find the differences. Okay, proceed.
Yes, sir. Sir, so now 667 minus 2, that is equals to 665.
Okay.
Sir, then 333 into
No,
2.
compulsory here you have to mention number of
Yes,
positions.
sir. We have to make 3 blanks just because 1000 has 3 zeros.
Yes.
Now we have to do 333 into 2, that is equals to 666.
666. That's all. Very good. Then Dhanyasri.
So for 678 into 997, base is 1000, and
Okay.
it is for 768, it is minus 232, and for
9 minus 7
900
is 2. 9 minus 6 is 3. 10 minus 8 is 2. In this way you can do.
minus 232, and for 997 it is minus 3.
Okay.
So I'm doing 768 minus 3. So it is 765, and we have to keep 3 positions as in 1000 there are 3 zeros, and 232 into 3 is equals to 696.
696. That's all. Very good. Then Shobranov.
Yes, sir. Sir, our above base number is 1000.
Okay.
Sir, 989, it will become minus 11.
Minus 11. Very good.
Sir, and minus 2, 998.
Correct. Next.
Sir, 989 minus 2 is equals to 987.
Okay.
Sir, 11 twos are 22, sir. Why means our answer is 2 digits. That's why there are 3 dashes. That's why we should give first 0 and 22.
0, 2, 2. Very good.
Thank you, sir.
Then Ritvik.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Half of.
What is the base number?
Yes, sir. Base number is 1000. So 1000 minus 885 is 150.
9 minus 8 is 1. 9 minus 8 is 1. 10 minus 5 is 5.
Okay, sir. And 997 is 3, sir. Yes, sir. So 885 minus 3 is 883. Sorry,
Okay.
882, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. And then if we do 115 into 3, it is 145.
345.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sorry, 345.
345 directly we can write because we need 3 digits.
Yes.
Then Cyrus.
Yes, sir.
Proceed. What is your base?
1,000.
Okay.
So 883 will be minus 117, and then 998 will be 2. So if we do 883 minus 2, it will become 881.
Okay.
Then if we multiply 117 times 2, it will become 234.
That's
And if we put it there, it will become 881238 Yeah.
That's it. Very good. Then Jait.
This number is like this. The E one is very close to D, sir.
No, take 1,000 as the base. It is better because it will be here. The difference will be very low. That's why.
Sir, me, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay. Who asked this question?
Sir, Jade, sir.
But I asked, sir.
No.
Jait only, sir. Jait, sir.
Wait.
Sir, I asked this-
Ritvik,
I asked-
you asked something.
Yes, sir. I was asking, do we have to take separate because like do you have to like 500?
Okay, it is for F question only. You are asking for F question only.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it is better to take 1,000 only because this difference is one difference is less means product will be less. This product will be less.
It's my question, sir.
Okay, Jay, explain.
I just asked a doubt.
Okay.
Sir, who should do, sir?
Jay,
You only Jait.
Okay. I just
proceed,
asked a
Jait.
doubt.
Sir, so base is 1,000 minus 2 for that and minus 533, sir.
Minus 533. Very good.
Sir, so 998 minus 533 gives you 460, 465.
I think it is better. See, 467 minus 2 is.
Sir, but I did. I actually
No,
subtracted.
frankly, you tell which is easy.
Sir, 467.
Minus 2. Okay, how much?
Sir, 465 I got.
Okay, after that.
Sir, so 2 multiplied by 533.
How many positions we need to take?
Sir, 3.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Right. Next.
Sir, so
What is the product?
sir, after that, we'll get 1 minute. Yes, sir. 1066, sir.
Very good. 1066. How to write that number? It's
Sir,
a
we'll,
4-digit number.
add 5 plus 1 and 066.
066. Final answer.
Yes, sir. 4,66,066.
Okay. Okay. If the number is getting bigger, you can tell digit by digit also. Answer.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then Satvika.
Yes, sir. Sir, 891 is 109 less than
What is
1000.
the base? Base is how
Sir,
much?
base is 1000.
Okay.
891 is 109 less than 1000.
100 and
109 less than 1000.
109. Okay. Second number.
And 989 is 11 less than 1000.
Okay.
891 minus 11 is 880.
880. After that.
And 11 into 109 is 1199.
11 into 109 into 11. How you have done this? How you did this question? So see here, we have 11 multiplication. We have completed 11 multiplication. 109 into 11. So first take 1 as it is. Then 1 plus 0 is 1. 0 plus 9 is 9. Then again 9.
9.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
How to write it?
Sir, we have to add 1 to 0.
Okay. Then
So then it will become 8,81,199.
88, 11, 99. That's all. Mahavir,
Yes, sir.
make it fast. Time is less.
Yes, sir. Sir, 8,000. Sir, the base is 10,000.
Okay.
Sir, and 8,888 minus 1,112.
1112. Okay.
Sir, and for 9,996, it's minus 4.
Okay.
Sir, I will do 8,888 minus 4, which is 8,884.
Okay.
Sir, and
Number
sir,
of
1,000.
patients?
Sir, 4, sir, as 10 has 4 zeros.
Okay.
Sir, 1,112 multiplied by 4, it is 4,448.
48. That's all. Then Yadharth.
Yes, sir. Sir, base number is 10,000, sir.
Okay.
Sir, minus 3,001, sir, and minus 3, sir.
1 second. 1 second.
Sir, minus
Sutisha is
3,000.
joining now. Toshnika is joining now. Why?
Sir, new test added by Chanakya Titan and Foundation 6.
Yadharth, proceed.
Yes, sir. Sir, minus 3,001, sir, and minus 3, sir.
3001.
1, sir. Sir, minus 3, I mean 3, sir. Yes.
Okay.
Sir, then 6,999 minus 3 is 6,996, sir.
6,996.
Sir, then we have to leave four dashes, sir.
Okay.
Because base number is 10,000, sir.
Okay.
Then 3,001, 3, sir.
Simple. Digit by digit, you can do multiplication. 3 times 3?
Sir, 3 3 is 9, sir.
0 0. Then 1 time 3?
Sir, 300.
Why you are thinking for this?
Very, sir.
Okay. Sahaswita.
Yeah. 1 lakh is our base.
Okay.
So minus 9,091.
Okay. Minus 9,091. 9091. Okay.
Minus 6.
That side is minus 6. Okay.
So I did 90,909 minus 6 is equal to 90903.
903. Okay.
So 9091 into 6 is equals to, we have to put 5 places. So 54546.
So the position is 54546. Okay. Very good. Very good. Then Sriharsha.
Sir, the base is 1 lakh, sir.
Sriharsha, I called you many times in the beginning of the class. Where are you then? Okay, proceed. What is our base?
Sir, the base is 1 lakh, sir.
1 lakh. Very good.
Sir, above 78,989, the number is
You can do digit by digit. 9 minus 7 is 2. 9 minus 8 is 9 minus 9 is
sir, 0.
then
So 1.
2. Sorry, 1. Sorry, 1 only. 1. Then 10 minus 1. 10 minus 9 is also 1. Okay, that is minus. Second number, second difference.
Sir, it is minus 3.
Okay. Crosswise operation.
So now 78,989 minus will give 78,986.
Okay.
So now we should keep 5 digits.
Okay.
So now, so
Simple. Here also you can do digit by digit.
11
Correct?
into 3 is so 63,033, sir.
63033. Okay. Right. Then last question for this session. Aditi, proceed.
Yes, sir. So the base is 10,000.
Okay.
So for 9876, it's minus 124, and for the next number is minus 2.
-2. Okay.
9876 minus 2 is 9874.
9874. Okay. After that,
124 into 2 is 248. So as we have 4 zeros in 10,000, we'll write 0248.
0248. That's all. Very good. Okay. Right. Write the tomorrow's exam. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
So what is tomorrow's exam based on?
We
Tomorrow's
have
exam is
completed
till
till
date.
now.
Till now.
Yeah.
So
Sir, all that we have learned, sir.
all the lessons covered till now, till today.
Okay, sir.
Sir, you will send the link in morning only, no, sir?
I'll send the link in morning only. In your free time, you can open that link, and the time starts when you open that link.
So,
Sir,
this is going to be on.
Sorry?
Yes, sir.
So
Sir, shall
the,
we leave now, sir?
Yeah, you can leave.
so the test is going to be.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.